Creating layer rules. In this task, we create a rule on a new part layer. First, we enable only the display of datum axes. In the top of the model tree, we click Show and select Layer Tree. We then right-click in the layer tree and select New Layer. We type Holes as the name and select the Rules tab. We then click Edit Rules. And in the Rule Editor dialog box, we click Options and verify that Build Query is not selected. The Look For should be set to Feature. We select Type as the rule. We select Hole as the value. And we click Preview Results. We then click OK. And note that by default, only new holes are added to the layer. We click Options, Associative, and click OK. We then right-click the Holes layer and select Hide. Then we click Repaint. In the top of the layer tree, we click Show and Model Tree. We press Ctrl and we select Hole 2 and Hole 3, and then we click Mirror. We then select Datum Plane Right and click Complete Feature. Then we click Show Layer Tree and we expand the Holes layer. And notice that the additional holes are automatically added. We then click Regenerate to update the rule. We then right-click Holes and select Unhide, and then we right-click Holes and select Hide. We then click Repaint and close window. In this task, we create a rule on a new assembly layer. We click Open, and we open rules.asm. We click Show and Layer Tree. Then we right-click and select New Layer. And we type Hardware for the name. We select the Rules tab. We then click Edit Rules. We click Options, Build Query. We set the Look For to Component. We select Name. And for the value, we type bolt asterisk. We then click Add New. And we edit the Look For drop-down list to Solid Model. Then we select Size as the rule. The type is set to relative. And for comparison, we use is less than. And we enter 0.2 for the value. We then click Add New. And we click Preview Results and click OK. Then we click Options, Associative, and then click OK. Then we right-click the layer Hardware and select Hide. We then click Repaint. We then assemble bolt_20 dia.prt into the front hole. So we click Assemble, bolt20 dia, and we complete the assembly and regenerate, and we see that the rule is automatically applied. And so the bolt is automatically hidden. This completes the demonstration.